I'm here in Waterways Park in Dublin, where it's estimated that over 1 million tonnes of municipal waste was dumped under my feet by South Dublin County Council back in the 1980s. It's one of hundreds of historic landfills our investigation uncovered right across the country that are at risk of leaking toxic waste and causing significant environmental damage. These forgotten sites are often found close to waterways, like next to the Gert River in Galway, or here on the banks of the River Liffey, increasing the risk to ecosystems and human health. Local authorities and the Environmental Protection Agency are supposed to retrospectively make these old landfills safe, but our investigation found that hundreds of these sites have been left in limbo over 15 years since the regulations were introduced. Experts told us that historic landfills likely contain waste that is now banned, but is still being allowed to leak into our waterways, and that putting landfills so close to water represents a legacy of poor planning. You can read the full story on the jrnl.ie.